Hey guys, this is Maxie here with Smart Choice Manufactured Homes. Today I'm standing in the beautiful Madison. It's a 4-bedroom Jessup manufactured home. You can even customize this home to your liking. If you notice, the outside of the home has a two-tone color that you can customize exactly how you'd like, whatever colors you choose. This home is a 32 by 64, 1,920 square feet, 4-bed, 2-bath. If you notice on the outside of the house, it has low E thermal pane windows. It also has smart panel insert with columns that are eyebrows above the windows. This house sits on a 16-inch center 2 by 8 floor joist. Come with me inside and let's check this house out. Welcome to the inside of the Madison. If you notice, you have your open kitchen concept. You also have your living room, which blends in perfectly. Come and follow me over here into the kitchen. You have this beautiful island in the center of the kitchen. You have these beautiful fixtures, as well as this home comes with all stainless steel appliances. You notice these cabinets are real wood. You have plenty of cabinet space throughout the kitchen. The cool thing about this house is it has recessed lightings on the ceilings, and it also has the air vents on the ceilings as well. As you follow me over here into the living room, you'll notice that we have this beautiful built-in entertainment center, real wood. It also has an electric fireplace and a built-in bookshelf. One thing about this living room that I absolutely love is it has the windows that brings in a lot of that natural lighting. One other thing that you can see in this living room is the wooden beams above us on the ceiling. Follow me down this way. You're gonna see that we have our 4 bedrooms down here. Right in this room is our utility room, where you're gonna have your back door as well as your washer and dryer area. Continue coming down this hall. You have your shared restroom amongst these bedrooms with the 2 sinks in here. All of our rooms have the wood doors and their natural lighting come in each room. So I saved the best for last. Let's take a look at our master bedroom. As you walk into the master bedroom, you see the natural lighting beaming from these windows. This room is spacious enough for a king-size bed. Follow me into the restroom. Here you have your Jack and Jill style sinks. You have your private area for your restroom, and then follow me further down, and the best is yet to come. Take a look at our very spa-like shower. As soon as you walk out of your master closet, you end up in your utility room, and you have access to your back door. My name is Maxie. I'm here with Smart Choice Homes. Come and visit me. We're right outside of San Antonio. Like and comment below and let me know what you think.